Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous donner une petite leçon sur la conjugaison pour en particulier les verbes du premier groupe, c'est-à-dire les verbes qui se terminent en ER. So, as I was just telling, I'm going to introduce you a little bit how it works for the verbs belonging to the first group, meaning that they are all ending by ER, so ER. And I'm going to give you exactly how we conjugate them and some rules that we have to apply in those particular case. So maybe you don't know it, but this category, this group in particular, ending with ER, are the ones that are used the most in French. Of course, there is the category of the irregular verb that we also use pretty much, but basically in daily conversation, that's the ones, those are the ones that you will have to use the most. So how does it work exactly? First, we are going to talk about the endings, les terminaisons that are used for those ones. So, let's start with the basic conjugation. So, as for the endings, les terminaisons, you will have je, e, tu, es, il, e, nous, ons, vous, ez, il, ent. So, as for all of them, it doesn't depend on which verb you are talking, as long, of course, that it ends with er. In this case, you will have always the same ending, les mêmes terminaisons, which are, I repeat once again, je, e, tu, es, il, e, nous, ons, vous, ez, il, ent. So let's take, for example, one verb, like parler, for example, to speak. So in this case, as I told you just before, you just have to take out the ER part, and so you have the base that will enable you to conjugate this verb. So it gives, as for the conjugation, je parle, tu parles, il parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle. So, something that you have to take care about, because it's really important, that the main point, let's say, for today, is that for je, tu, il singular and il plural, you always have exactly the same pronunciation. So, I'm going to tell once again this conjugation, but this time without the subject, so that you will see that the pronunciation is exactly the same. So, in the case of parler, I would have parle, 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 parlons, parler, parle. So as you can see, for the endings, yes, they are different, because if you check for the difference between je parle versus tu parles, we don't write it the same way, but still you have to pronounce them exactly the same. So I often listen new students that have some bad tendency, I would say, to mispronounce, for example, the last one, which is il parle, and instead of pronouncing it this way, they have this tendency to want to also pronounce the N and the T, so it gives something really strange, like parlant or something like that. Just forget about it. In this case, we just pronounce it exactly are the three ones that we have for the singular, which is parle only. Okay? So, apart from that, as I told you, it's 100% regular. So, the main points, as I was telling you for them, so the first thing, of course, is that for all these verbs of the first group, they are ending by ER. The next thing that you need to know is that the ending is always the same, so that you have E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Always the same, and also what is always the same is also the pronunciation for je, tu, il singular, il plural. Okay? So now we've got it all. So now you can play actually to conjugate any verb that you want from the first group. It can be arriver, it can be aimer, etc. So just have fun. Take out the ER part, replace it by the endings, and you've got it. C'est aussi simple que ça. So, thank you. Thanks a lot. Merci beaucoup for watching this video. So if you need some more informations, don't hesitate to put some comments down there. So I would be really glad actually to respond to them. And in the case that you want to follow a little bit all the videos that I'm showing here on YouTube, in this case you can also subscribe to my channel. And in the case also that you are interested to take some private lessons with me through Skype, in this case you can contact me directly on this link, so www.edmondfle.com, donc www.edmondfle.com. So FLE stands for Français Langue Étrangère. And that's pretty all for today. So anyway, merci beaucoup once again. And I will be telling you, je vous dis à très bientôt. Bye bye.